some of the issues that we're going to explore is first of all soil degradation that is created by radioactive waste disposal. And also another issue that we're going to talk about is fragile ecological networks and biodiversity cycle, including the themes of extinction and invasive population growth. So for those of you guys who are not very familiar with what invasive population growth is, basically plants, animals, or species that are not native within a location or a space, and they basically intrude within that space and may cause different ecological impacts. So in our presentation, we're going to touch on that. So for our basic scenario, what we kind of thought of is, do you guys remember when we went to ACRES and the people there talked about how they hired the people who worked there and they kind of dumped the waste and they've got a lot of different issues happening, and that's where our basic scenario kind of stemmed from. So we thought of a world where there was radioactive waste from nuclear explosion. There's still a lot of details to work on, but that's the basic scenario, and that happened in ACRES. And what happened after that, there was contamination in the area, and they were specifically contaminated the ant nest and caused mutation of the ants. And from there, the mutant ants started to destroy biodiversity cycle and started to degrade the soil at acres. And so we came up with one solution, which we call SectBots, or in other words, SexBots. And they're basically Arduino-based insect robots that mutilate mutant ants. So here we have all different models of our insects. So the first model, which, we started off.
Should we use the projector? Yeah. How do we do that?
Yeah. So for most of the models, we use soft clay. This is the first one. We haven't really figured out how it's going to work, but it's basically going to open up, and there's an Arduino inside, and that's where the mechanics going to be placed. So from the sketch, you can see that we're going to use several of our Arduino sensors, including several motor control that is attached to the wings to make them move. There'll also be laser sensors for them to kind of like, sort of their weapon thing to kill the mutant ants. We're going to use the joystick sensor as well as an input to control the movement of the wings with the servo motor control as the output, and a few other sensors. So this was basically like one of our first models and sketches. And then after that, we came up with several others. So here's another one, which is the hammerhead bug. It's kind of like a better looking bug. Yeah, so for this sketch, we kind of like switched a little bit. So instead of having the wings moving, maybe we can attach the servo motor control to the pincers and sort of use them as the weapon together with the laser. Yeah, and then moving on.
And then we started looking at bugs with like superpowers already in there. So one interesting one is the assassin bug. So, some facts about the assassin bug. It actually carries its enemies' corpses on its back as a camouflage. And then you can't smell it, or you can't really tell that it's a foreign insect, so it comes and like murders your family and stuff like that. And then it also has these little this pincer thing that injects toxins and paralyzes its victim. So this is our model, and it has a camera and some lasers, and then it's like special toxin injector. So that was one idea. And then we also tried another one called the bombardier beetle. So the bombardier beetle is interesting because it's an actual insect, and then it has this compartment inside it that creates, what is it?
This thing.
No, not that one.
Not that
it's
one.
like hydrogen peroxide. It has this chamber, and then when it's stirred in, it pushes the chamber to react with some other thing that they have, and then it squirts out O2, like oxygen, and 100 degrees Celsius spray, so it like kills everybody. So we thought it'd be cool if we use this for our model, and then we didn't know how to do that, so we made a little like thingy, like a ball that it like pops when it wants to like murder things. So we could have like our servo thing that pops. So yeah. Okay, and then we decided that, you know, after looking at all these like real insects, that we're going to make a hypothetical insect that probably like doesn't really exist. So we like made it. It's this huge, this thing with foam and stuff. So we like kind of incorporated like two elements. Oh crap! Okay, two elements of like two insects. So like this is the stag beetle and the scorpion. So as you can see, like the tail is like the scorpion tail, and then like this part is the snappy part of the stag beetle. Yeah. And like I drew a few like examples of how this insect could probably work. So the pincers and the jaws, we can use like, because there's an Arduino inside here. I don't know if you guys can see, I fit it in here. So the servo motor can be attached to the pincers, and then it can like kill the bugs. It can use to like pick up things or like injure or like kill the mutant ants. And then the eyes, we actually want to use the laser sensor as like a pew pew thing. So yeah. And then for the tail, I actually like put the LED in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it can be used as a light lure, like you know, like that fish. Yeah, the angler fish. So it can be used as a like a lure for like the mutant ants. And then like we wanted to like make wings also, but we didn't really have time. So like this is like a closed up version of like the wing compartment, and like we haven't really like thought about how it's gonna like fly yet, but like that's potentially what it does. So yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show it moving? Does it move?
You want to show it?
It doesn't move, but it like we haven't really put in all the compartments. But okay, let me see if it works. So I actually put the touch sensor in here. So I don't know if it works. It worked yesterday. Yeah.
Nice.
Did it flash?
It flashed, yeah.
So like, I don't know, where's the... It's supposed to work.
Sensors are in the baby.
Yeah, the touch sensor is in here.
Just tell them what happens when it does move.
Yeah, so basically the touch sensor is in here. I had to like embed it in here. So when you press it, like, like it makes a sound. I don't know if you guys can
Like
hear.
a high-pitched sound.
Like a super high-pitched sound.
Because apparently ants are really scared of that.
Yeah, like
so it could also be used as a weapon together with a laser.
it's like inside. The buzzer is like in the body.
Hello.
Like, oh, it's not working. Work.
It's the demo demon.
Yeah, but it's supposed to work. Just now, I mean, it worked a couple times.